Is each function even, odd, or neither? Well, first things first, an even function when graphed has a mirror reflection over the y-axis. Okay, so is the left and the right exactly the same? When I look at this guy, the left side and the right side are mirror image of each other. You are even. An odd function is, can I take my picture and spin it upside down and get the same exact thing? When I take a look at this guy, although it's not so obvious, if I were to take this picture, spin it upside down, since it goes through 0, 0, and since, I get the same exact thing, it appears that this one is odd. Now, is this even? No, because the left and the right are not mirror images of each other. If I were to take this and spin this upside down, do I get the same exact image? No, I don't. So this is my neither.